1 spoonful of this creamy coconut rice and you will be hooked. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are making creamy coconut rice. Very delicious, creamy, packed with coconut flavor. I can't wait for you to recreate yours after watching this video. And make sure you watch till the end, okay? Now let's get cooking. We are starting with the protein. I'm using macrofish, okay? You can use any protein of your choice. So now, into the boiling water, I will introduce my washed fish. Season with some salt, seasoning cube, a teaspoon of dry thyme, and some diced onions. Now, give it a gentle stir, cover it, and allow it to cook for some minutes, all right? Checking back after cooking for 4 minutes, guys, it is ready. Let's take it out. I'll transfer straight to my air fryer and allow it to grill for some time. You can use your oven as well. If you don't have any of those, you can make do of your pan and oil. Yes, deep fry them or enjoy it just like this. Now, for the fish stock, we're going to sieve and set aside. We're not throwing it away, okay? Let's move on, guys. Now tell me, what is coconut rice without that coconut flavor? This is where it starts. Now, in a pan or pot, go in with your coconut oil. Please do not use any other oil. Coconut oil, okay? If you want that coconut flavor. Now, once the oil is heated, I'll go in with my diced onions. You can use any of the onions, white or red, okay? Fry it for some time and introduce some bay leaves and dry thyme. Now let's introduce ginger garlic paste and continue frying until it is flavorful. At this point, I'll go ahead and introduce my freshly chopped tomatoes. I love using fresh tomatoes for my coconut rice. It takes it to the next level and gives it that neutral, natural color it deserves. Please do so when recreating yours and test the difference. Now, giving it a nice stir. We are going to allow it to fry for some minutes. Checking back after frying for 5 minutes. Guys, this is fresh tomato. You don't have to fry for a long time. Now I'll go on and season with some paprika powder, seasoning powder, and some salt. Afterwards, we're going to give it a nice stir and allow it to fry for extra 1 minute. Checking back after 1 minute, I'll go ahead and introduce my washed rice. This is 3 cups of basmati rice. Make sure to wash your rice until the water runs clear and save it immediately. Do not allow it to remain inside the water, okay? Please take your time and stir it until everything is well combined. Now it is time to introduce the coconut milk. Very important. When making your coconut rice, you need coconut milk. Now, if you cannot get the actual coconut like the one in the shell, you can buy the already made coconut milk in the market, all right? So how you do it, break your coconut like deshell it and blend. After that, you sieve out the milk, as simple as that. If you noticed, we've added our fish stock, that's the second liquid that went in. Now stir it down to the bottom, stir until well combined, okay? At this point, for heat, we are going in with some cayenne pepper. You are free to use any chili of choice. It could be your green, red chili or scotch bonnet. Now let's cover it and allow to cook, all right? Now, after cooking for 3 minutes, use your spoon to adjust it, okay? We are making room for the water on top to go down. It is very important. If not, you have the water floating on top while your coconut rice is already burning. So adjust it just like the way you are seeing on the screen. Now after adjusting, use foil paper to cover it up just like you're seeing on the screen. It will help trap out the water and cook fast. The goal is to get it dry, but we do not want it completely dry. Now I'll go ahead and sprinkle some freshly chopped spring onions and cover it to cook for just extra 1 minute. Now let's give it last nice stir. It is ready, guys. And just like that, you've made yourself a delicious creamy coconut rice. Please give it a go and share for others to learn. And if this is your first time meeting my video, you're welcome. Thank you for tuning in. My name is Ijoma. Here I post videos on how to make easy, delicious cooking recipes, baking, delectable small chops, snacks, and more. So if it sounds interesting to you, please hit the subscribe button so you become part of the family. Turn on your notification bell as well so you don't miss out on any of my upload. Thank you. Now, this is the best part for me. I like it when I'm done cooking and it is time to plate and eat. So guys, dish it out with me, okay? If you have watched up unto this extent, you've done well. Thank you so much. I appreciate. Please let me know where you're watching from so I send you a shout out in my next video. Also, endeavor to like this video, share and comment. Subscribe if you haven't, alright? You're not going to be charged for any of this, okay? Thank you. Now we are done plating. Look at that. I know you are salivating already. Yes, I know. The trial will convince you. Now, who remember the fish, the one we cooked and grilled earlier? I'll go ahead and place in the fish and that's it. It is ready to be devoured. So grab your spoon, let's go guys. And we've come to the end of today's cooking. Thank you guys for joining me in creating this amazing, delicious recipe. If you found it interesting, do not forget to like it, share, comment, and subscribe. It tasted super good, creamy. Guys, I can't wait for you to try it out. Until I see you next time, keep cooking, keep smiling. Bye.